alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to English with Jihad. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also doing well today. Today we are going to learn 5 ways to talk about like. So let's get started. Number 1. I love. Repeat after me. I love. I love. Number 2. I'm really into. Repeat after me. I'm really into. I'm really into. Number 3. I live for. Repeat after me. I live for. I live for. Number 4. Something is my thing. Repeat after me. Something is my thing. Something is my thing. Number 5. I'm crazy about. Repeat after me. I'm crazy about. I'm crazy about. Very good. Practice these expressions every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.